here's a video on my Construct 3 project. Remember, here's my project for Construct 3. And this is not a tutorial video, guys. It's not a tutorial video. It's just a quick preview for my Construct 3 project. So I actually have two open. For some reason, there's actually different. So let's just take a look at them. This one is this guy here. Now, this guy here, for example, so now I can save this. So these are just the first project I think I have done. Oh no. There go him now. That's him, and event sheet. Yes, I did follow a little bit of instructions. I did follow some instructions, but with my own items. And my own projects, my own items, my own enemies and stuff. So there you go. So now we can move. See, I can jump here. This comes on top. Welcome, explorer. And this is an enemy. If I run, yeah, die. And he's supposed to restart, but it does not work for some reason. I cannot tell why this doesn't work. But this chest here, this chest is part of the game. Once you come to, you press enter, then a picture comes up showing you what's inside the chest. That's a thing I tried to do. Here, this thing is a little bit in the way, and I also made sure that his hitbox is good enough, so you need his hitboxes. Lawyer, always make sure that the hitboxes are the best that they can be, you see. Now, sprite destroy, animation playing, of course there is more going on here. You can see the spaceship, you can see a plane, and you can see Mars over here. You can see the planet. And now, this doesn't spin, but it would be cool effect if I could make this spin. Make the spin, guys. So that'd be cool effect if I could do this. So I can just now see where I'm going right here, how it just follows along with it. You can see that I now can't get past this because now this guy is going to get in the way, you see. But I can adjust it. For example, I can adjust my character. You can see, so that's just a little bit of a project right here. I can adjust my character. I can make him jump, double jump, so perhaps I might be able to get over this creature. You can see, so now, oh, well, yeah, I know why this happened, because I bound it to layout. So if I go to behaviors and destroy outside layout, that's, I think this is the thing now. So now if I go to scroll 2, I think if I just get rid of this for now, just for now, I might have the opportunity to and is it not really working anyway with this one? Yeah, now it works. So now you can see how I'm just jumping over it now. And now these are 3 blocks right here, you can see here. Then now I can go down here, down this slope here. This is not just one straight line, there's actually multiple lines actually crafted together. Actually, multiple lines. So you press enter here and a picture comes up, which I might be able to know how to do this. Of course, so this guy here is like a spare sprite and stuff like that. So yeah, a spare sprite. So this is Mars over here and stuff like that. So that's this page. Now I have another one. Guys, in Construct 3. I think it's in Clouds. I think this one is in Cloud. I'm not sure why the other one isn't. I think it might be this one. Oh no, this is I think I've Warrior or Wizard. I think there's actually 2 combined. I'm not sure which one. I split them up. One doesn't allow me to go in, but still. I'm gonna open this one up. Perhaps we could rename them or something like that. I don't know how to do this, but still, you can now see, now it's downloading the file right here. And I'll be with you once, okay, no, wait, it's already getting time to download. Close the previous project. So yeah, this is a different one. This one, guys, works. You see a line of sight, sprite 12, sprite 12, towards, set angle towards sprite X, sprite Y. So now you can see what I've done. Yes, I did follow a tutorial with this. I did follow a tutorial, guys. But I use my own items. That's all the differences, except maybe one instead of 2. No, maybe one item on image URL. The image URL was, I did this by myself, and I tried to make it so you load up an image from this. So this loads up an image. Once this is there, you press enter and loads up an image. I tried doing this. It did not work out the best way. You can now see it looks like this now. So yes, this is the treasure chest right here. You open it up. Basically the same type of chest, same one, because it loads up the same image. You can probably tell that this chest is exactly the same as the last project. You can tell that this chest, guys, is exactly the same as the last project's chest, and that's because I used the same exact image. That's what happened. So now I can see here how this comes out. You see, for example, now what's chasing me, like here, these are like tombstones. I created this by myself. So this one here, look at this. Welcome, you are 2D Bing. Then please collect a special watch. So now this stone right here isn't always written on it. It actually contains 2 animations. One is blank, one is written, but it's quick, so you don't see it when it's blank. You know, it's quick, so you don't really see it when it's blank. But this watch right here is a special watch, as you can see. And now, if I collect it, I set this to be destroyed. But it's supposed to be collected, actually. So you've got an inventory, but it's still set to be destroyed. I'm not sure how you do this, really. Like, destroyed, but it comes to your inventory right here. Then, if you go forward here, this will chase you. And then look here now. And then it restarts, because I also followed the instruction how to restart. So now you can see this right here. This right here, you can see that contains 2 on both ends. You can see 2 on both ends are counter speed. If I play this on loop, you probably will see it keep on flashing all over again. You can probably see how it's going to probably keep on flashing. Yeah, please collect a special watch, but we're not going to keep it on loop. We're going to actually keep it there, since the tombstone does not need to be looped. So we're going to make sure that this is not a loop, and this is not a loop, and anything like that. Make sure that this is not a loop, and this is never a loop. So we're going to make sure that this guy's never loops. I'm not sure what ping pong does, but this is an example. So yeah, so now you can see just how we can do it right here. Welcome, you are 2D Bing, and then this, and of course, oh, I'm going to escape. Yeah, kind of, even if I fall down the gap. So it did not really work with the other one, because the other one for some reason falls, but then like it doesn't come up. Like it doesn't, like he falls down, but then the screen restarts, but without the character. Like the screen restarts without him, or without the character guys. I don't know what might be the problem. I might need to compare the differences between this project and the other one. Here, guys. The project differences, enable collisions and stuff like that. I don't know what's the difference between this one and the other one. There might be something different about it. I don't know what global does really. Global might be different actually. Probably his global ground or something like that. I don't even know if it's global ground or not. But let's see. Yeah, even global does not make him change anyway. Don't know what this does, but yeah, this is my project. Remember, guys, this is not a tutorial video. This is not a tutorial video. This is just a preview on the projects and stuff like that. So if I played, you did enjoy this video, guys. You can actually download Construct 3 based on this is a paid version actually. This I've got. This is not the free version, and I also might be able to even get some assets. I have even some tabs open and stuff. So if I can show you just a quick second. These are the tabs. These are, we have here education, learn, community, and stuff like that. Education. I would suggest you to, like, if you're a beginner, go for beginner, but you can always go, when I'm looking at tutorial videos, I first go to beginner. Of course, when I was this, I chose beginner, of course, and stuff like that. I chose the beginner and stuff, so you can now see features, show game, and stuff like that. Why Construct 3, you can also look at the resources, and of course, you can look at the resources, stuff like that. So, yeah, I did look at the beginning tutorial. But later on, I now starting to look at tutorials on what I want to be done. So it's not really step by step, but what I want to be done. If I want my character to fly, I would watch a tutorial on how to make your character fly. You know, there's no need to be part 2 or part 3. Well, actually, if you're a beginner, yes, you do need to watch the first beginner tutorial. You do need to. Later on, you can then start to watch how to make this happen, how to make that happen, you see. So yeah, you can now register and log in. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you in another one, guys. Bye.